I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
And I'm gonna do today or tonight, guys, is to watch this performance of Dimas. Of course, my favorite one, Dimas Kudaibergen, a Kazakh singer. If you don't know yet, Dimas Kudaibergen is from Kazakhstan, and he is a famous singer nowadays. And now he will sing the My Heart Will Go On. He performed in Hainan International Film Festival 2018. So guys, ito na po, panoorin po natin. And disclaimer, guys, I'm not a good reactor or reactionist. I'm not a coach, and I'm not a singer. Ito na po, and we are going to watch now the performance of our dear Dimas Kudaibergen, My Heart Will Go On.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you go on. Near, far, Stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on then
He nailed it again for this English song. Success performance again for Dimas Kudaibergen, guys. And of course, he made it again for this song, My Heart Will Go On. And we all know that My Heart Will Go On, it's a very popular song. Very much for watching me, guys. And of course, for those who not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell so that if I have a new video, you will be notified. And again, guys, thank you very much and God bless. Bye. Shalom.